Oh dear. Ah! Oh man, that's my rebel coming out. Hi gang, welcome back to Julie's Beautiful Life. Today we have the June Ipsy and Birchbox. They kind of came early this month, pardon me. I know there I have a hair here somewhere and it's driving me nuts. Let's get right to it. My Ipsy. I did order some extra things this month. This is Moroccan Rose Superfood Facial Oil by Dr. Botanicals. I love rose and I expect I will really enjoy rose facial oil. I've heard so many good things about it. Okay, what else do we have here? Oh, I was really looking forward to this. Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick, which I normally do not like. I do not like liquid lips. However, I've heard really good things. Let's take that anything reflective off there. I hope you can see that. Oh shoot, I didn't even think it. I put on bright red lipstick. I'm not going to be able to put this on over that. I can show you the color here. Very pretty. Let's see if I can remember what it's called. Oh boy. Oh dear. I need the magnifying glass. Sugar Mama. Sugar Mama. I just realized that I have my glasses on and I love them. I love them so much, but they don't have the anti-glare coating and they may be quite annoying in the video, so I'll take them off. They are my new computer glasses, which I desperately needed from spending so much time on the computer. The third thing I got was the Buxom Lash Mascara. That's all it says. And I paid $3 for this, $3 for the Dr. Botanicals, I believe, and then I paid $12 for the Huda lipstick, which is a phenomenal price. So, okay, let's get in here. This is the bag this month. It's cute. They're really into Tetris right now. Everything coming out of Ipsy is Tetris. There's some stuff that is kind of stuck down in the bottom. Here is a brush, which is a Tetris brush, I guess. Here is a pure, fully charged mascara powered by magnetic technology. I have no idea what that means, but we'll see. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, Laneige Water Bank Moisture Cream for normal to dry skin. Awesome. I wanted to try a Laneige product. The one I really want to try is their lip mask. People rave about that lip mask. We also have Pixi by Petra, and this is the Lip Lift Max Glossy Lip Plumper. Should just keep this on. In Sheer Rose. You know, I understand we like to have safety packaging, but geez, they make it so hard to get in. They're people proof. I always say give them to a little kid, they'll open it. They're supposed to be kid safe and stuff, but honestly, they seem to be the only ones that can get in. All right, well, I'm not gonna fuss with this while we're on camera. Maybe later I can get that open. Okay, now we have the Ultra Repair Hyaluronic Hydrating Primer, safe for sensitive skin by First Aid Beauty. And that is the second First Aid Beauty primer I have. I have a different one that they make. So nice and big down here. Oh, English Laundry Oxford Blue Eau de Parfum. Well, aren't we getting fancy? Very nice. Very nice. I am not going to read through the products here. That seems to be the most boring part of the video. I don't really see any point to it, so I'm just not gonna. That's my rebel coming out. That's a nice bag. I mean, it's okay. It's got the Laneige, the First Aid Beauty, the lip plumper. Lip plumpers are awesome. I dig them. A brush. Of course, I always love having another brush. Another mascara to add to my collection that I didn't already have. And I do have quite a collection. That's the Ipsy bag for this month. Pretty cool. This month, the Birchbox comes, it's a little different. I already had it out because I opened them ahead of time because I find them very difficult to open. This month, the Birchbox is like a little drawer. Isn't that cute? Again, gimmicky, and like I told you last month, I can do without the fancy box. I would rather have nicer products. Bunch of paperwork. I'm not even going to go through that. I don't see any point to it. Okay, here is this month's box. I hope you can see it. I hope the products aren't falling out. I cannot tell a lie. I've been in this box already because it has Orbe Maximista Thickening Spray, and I used it today. Now that my hair is cut, I need some oomph to it, and I ordered some products, but I won't get them till Thursday, so I saw this in the box and I decided to give it a whirl, and I like it. That's the second Orbe product that I actually like. This month I have Winky Lux Frothy is the shade. It's an, oh man, most of it fell out. Oh, bummer. Now I got glitter all over the place, all over my dress. I'll have to clean that up later, and I think I will get in touch with customer service and tell them that came broken. Bummer. Okay, now we have the Air Repair Moisturizer Complexion Boosting Moisturizer. That'd be nice to try. We have They're Real Benefit Beyond Mascara. I think I've had this before, and it's a nice mascara, but I still like their Roller Lash Mascara better. I did manage to get that Pixie by Petra Lip Plumper open, and this is it. The Huda Beauty is this one underneath. That was the matte lipstick, and this is a lip plumper. We also have a new Luxie brush. You know I love my brushes. That's 2 brushes again this month. I'm collecting them. Brushes are good. And the last item is Clean Rain. It's a perfume sample. I'm actually really excited about this because I've heard really good things about this brand, and apparently it's a really neat brand, and you can mix and match the scents, and sounds interesting. So I'm looking forward to trying that. Kind of looking for a new perfume because my absolute favorite perfume is Coco Mademoiselle. Absolutely, hands down, it's my favorite. It's so expensive, and I really can't. I can't put out that kind of money right now, so it's just not going to happen. Unless we hit the Fantasy 5, which, you know, stranger things have happened. Those are my Ipsy and Birchbox for this month. And once again, Birchbox, if you're watching, you can cut out the gimmicks. It's a very cute little box, drawer box. But, you know, I just want what's inside. I don't really care about the box. The boxes are piling up. Keep forgetting to ask at church, but I'm pretty sure that they'll be happy to have them. I'll feel better because they're not wasted and they're not piled up in my room, which has minimal space. Thanks again for traipsing through my subscription boxes with me for June. I will let you know how some of these things turn out for me. I'm really excited about this Moroccan Rose facial oil. I'm really getting into facial oils. I love them. I think I'll enjoy this one, but I will certainly let you know. As always, life is so precious. Don't miss a second of it. Go and live your beautiful life.